Alright guys, so we're going to do a quick review of this PC brand honey garlic sausages. These are on sale, by the way. So here's the ingredient panel. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Here's the back. And I'm going to cook it up in the air fryer. And I'll do a quick taste test for you. So stay tuned guys, I'll be back. Honey garlic sausages. I put it in the air fryer for about 15 minutes. It's got a nice shine to it, but let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so as you can see, it is steaming hot. It is very juicy in the middle, so let's do a quick taste test. It's got a nice sweetness to it because of the honey. And the garlic really comes through. Actually, really good flavor, guys. Definitely check it out. It's not spicy at all. It tastes like a regular sausage, but lots of honey and honey taste to it, so it's sweet. But not overly sweet, so definitely check it out, guys. Question, comments, plus subscribe to the channel.